Alright, so here are some ways on how you can fix iPhone apps not downloading. First up, just simply go to settings. Once you're inside your settings, just simply go to your iPhone Apple account settings. And right over here, what you need to do is just simply press on sign out. So I'm not gonna sign out, but you simply need to press sign out and sign in back again to check if your downloading is fixed. But if it doesn't fix, you need to scroll down a bit in the settings until you find out screen time. Just go ahead and press on screen time. And right over here, you just gotta scroll down again until you see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead and press on that. Right over here, you need to go ahead and press on allowed app and features and make sure every single app is turned on. And to be extra careful, just simply turn this feature off just like that and you're good to go. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, what you need to do is just scroll down to the bottom and go to apps. Inside apps, you need to type in App Store right over here. Once you've typed in App Store, you'll see this, but you just need to scroll down a bit until you see app downloads. Just go ahead and press on app downloads, and right over here you just gotta press on always allow to make sure and everything downloads correctly and it doesn't stop anywhere. And once this is done, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, you can do a simple thing by just going to your control center and turning on your airplane mode and leaving it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Once this is done, you just need to turn off your airplane mode and just turn on your Wi-Fi and you're good to go. So yeah, hope you find it useful. I'll see you soon.